Today after work, while I was driving, I was wondering, when was the last time I spent time in nature? Maybe I should stop by the park and have a little walk. But of course the other side of me quickly reminds me that I don't have time for that kind of thing. I don't have time, really? Shouldn't I make time for nature too? Albert Einstein, arguably one of the smartest men who ever lived, said one day, "Look deep into the nature, and then you will understand everything better." That sounds profound. But it sounds true. But the question that I'm wondering is, what does the creator, the designer, the inventor of the whole nature has to say about his own work? Ask the animals and they will teach you, or the birds of the air and they will tell you, or speak to the earth and it will teach you, or let the fish of the sea inform you. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands. Let me ask you, when was last time that you actually took the time to go outside and breathe that fresh morning air? Or just go out and enjoy nature? God created these things for us to enjoy and to refresh, but we're too busy in our own lives that we forget the simple yet the most beautiful things in life. You see the leaves that change colors, the sounds of the waters, the songs of the birds, the trees, the rocks. You too. You probably need to take the time to go and enjoy nature. I promise. It's not hard.